going on, guys? Josh with Mountain Man Outdoors. We're back on the water today. Got my son Jeremiah, my good friend, old mountain man from a little farther north. What do you think, buddy?
Get it.
All right, guys, we're gonna do some fishing. We're on Clater Lake. Y'all stay with us. There's a good one.
Isn't it?
No, he ain't that good.
Is that a smallmouth?
No.
I think it is. We're gonna jump over and grab it. On the dock.
Yeah, hurry up. It is a smallie.
Thought it was. One more suckers probably don't they?
Yeah, they do.
There he is. He's heading for my line. Stinking bluegill stole it. See him? Right there's the bass. See, bass come over the wall following it. There he is.
There you go.
He go grab it in a minute. There he did.
He's got it. There you go.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
What's the matter with him?
White looking, ain't he?
Yeah, weird looking. That's pretty bass.
It's a dorkfish. Got some, son.
That's a good.
See that? Maybe.
No,
Boy.
I don't think so. He's hooked good.
Need him, I got him.
All right.
Small little old hook in it.
All right.
Pliers are in that seat right there.
All right. You reckon you can see it good on my camera?
There you go.
Nice.
There you go. I love when they jump like that, though. It might throw you hook, but. But that smallmouth is now.
Great.
He's fighting like one of them.
Is that a spot?
Nah. There's a lot of spots in there, though. We'll get that one, buddy.
Reel it all the way down to it.
On the downside, you gotta set it off and change it up.
There he is.
Need a net?
Oh yeah. I don't know.
I done hooked me into the rock.
That's a pretty bass there.
Pretty one.
Jeremiah, you want one of these?
One more.
Swing bait. Probably a pound. All right, thank you, Lord.
About like him too, I called.
I bet you that's that one that chased it. All right, guys, we got a bear in the water. You can see his head. That's pretty wild. There he goes. And how cool is that? We out here bass fishing. There goes a bear. I had one nail it. There's a little fish here. There we go. That's one of them old warmouths. Them suckers is mean, ain't they?
Yeah. I think they are.
They're aggressive like a blue, like a.
They're aggressive like a red eye.
They fight like a red eye too. They don't fight hard.
I'm gonna run up
Or
that
they
hole.
fight hard, but then they wear out quick.
There's a good one.
Got one?
Yeah, boy. A little better than what I've been catching.
There you go. He's got
No.
one, huh? Yeah. Flip him in here. There you go. Look at the camera. There you go. There's old mountain man.
That's probably the biggest bass of the trip, boys.
Boy, that's a trophy there, ain't it? Let's see. Hold him up there next to my swim bait. Oh yeah, that's a
Swim
good.
baits, go eat him.
That's
No joke. There's a big one right over here. Is there a big one over there? There's a bite.
get him.
Ah.
Not too much slack. Just good as you eat it again. No? Alright. There you go.
Got him.
Oh yeah.
That's a nicer one, ain't it?
Yeah. I thought it was a bass at first.
I did too.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Alrighty guys, another warmouth.
Pretty good.
Got him. There's one. Oh, he got off.
He's still on.
Oh, God. This might be a net. Get the net.
Let me have it.
Is he real good?
He's 3+.
Guys, he's got a good one hooked. Oh, that is a.
That's a nice one.
dandy right there.
That's a good one.
That one will go 3, 3.5.
Oh yeah. Hammer,
Yeah, congrats.
hammer time. Congratulations, buddy.
About a 3. Got her 0. Get it on that side, on the right side of that, and 0's it.
All right, let's see, right?
That would have been my
4
biggest
ounces.
bass today.
A little less than what?
Boy, it's a good.
How much does it weigh?
2.8.
2.8. Oh yeah, feller. This right here is it.
Got him.
Oh,
Oh, he got off.
Oh, that was a good one. That's a
Yeah,
good
it
one
was.
there. Swing bait.
Yeah.
Well, that was a good one there. I'm getting ready to get the net. That almost looks like a catfish.
it
No,
rolled
it-
up funny, didn't it?
I believe it was a largemouth. That dog under that boat right there. Oh man, it was a big old shadow, but I couldn't tell.
There's one thing I learned about tournament fishing.
What's that?
You want to be a millionaire, you got to start out a billionaire.
Yeah.
Warmouth.
You got them cutters, Josh?
Hmm.
Got them cutters?
Uh,
Or did we?
that may be back in my. Look here, there's been a muskie had a hold of that.
Oh, hold on.
I may just drop him back down my toe box.
See that? Joe? One just jumped at the point of that dock right there.
Did he? Yeah. All right, we'll get him in a minute. You got him?
All the way up the back.
There's a.
That's a little bass, then. No.
Yeah, the bass.
Is that your camera or mine?
This
No,
No.
bluegill. It's a pretty color bluegill. Or,
Check that one out.
boy, that thing pretty. Oh, yes.
That is wild. Man, look at them white tips.
What did I eat today, Mom and Kendra?
I don't know. I didn't ask him. Easy.
Bass.
Catch him.
Look at him. Chasing minnows up there. It'll be 2 knots or something. Whatever. Apparently it was offensive. Heck yeah. That motor said, thank God.
Come on.
How many of these little things have we caught today?
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Pass.
That's probably my last cast now.
I'm coming.
That's another pretty one with them white tips. They threatened to kick us out of McDonald's if we didn't quit.
That's good.
Oh
Oh,
man!
get the net. Get the net.
Oh my gosh.
Just keep fighting.
Holy crap.
I got
Hold
it.
on, Hold on, Dylan.
That's a PB. Get the dang net.
Get him over here.
Oh yeah. Holy
Nice
crap.
one. Nice one, son. That one's over 3.
Yep. That one's probably 4. Close to it.
Let's see that baby.
You get that on video? No. Alright. 3 pounds and 14 ounces, like 2 ounces being 4 pounds.
Oh my. Thank you, Lord.
Make sure he gets good and revived there.
Oh,